The drone era. How drones changed modern warfare forever. Imagine a battlefield where soldiers can see enemies miles away without leaving cover. Imagine weapons that can fly for hours, identify targets, and strike with incredible precision. Imagine hundreds of small flying machines working together like a swarm of intelligent insects. Welcome to the drone era. Drones have transformed warfare more rapidly than almost any military technology in history. What began as simple remote-controlled aircraft has evolved into a powerful force that is reshaping how wars are fought across the globe. Today, drones are used for surveillance, reconnaissance, precision strikes, logistics, and even electronic warfare. But how do we get here? And what does the future of drone warfare look like? Let's find out. Chapter 1. The birth of military drones. The concept of unmanned aircraft is not new. Early experiments with pilotless aircraft began more than a century ago. However, for decades these machines were limited by technology. They lacked the communication systems, sensors, and computing power needed for modern military operations. Everything changed with the development of advanced electronics, satellite communications, and GPS navigation. Military planners quickly realized that drones could perform dangerous missions without risking a pilot's life. This marked the beginning of a new era in warfare. Chapter 2. The Eyes in the Sky. One of the first major roles of drones was surveillance. Modern drones can fly high above the battlefield while transmitting live video to commanders on the ground. These flying observers provide critical intelligence, helping military forces track troop movements, identify threats, and monitor strategic locations. Unlike satellites, drones can remain over an area for extended periods and provide real-time information. This ability has fundamentally changed military decision-making. Commanders no longer have to rely solely on reports from the ground. Chapter 3. The rise of small combat drones. Today, some of the most influential drones are also the smallest. Compact drones that once served recreational purposes have found new roles on the battlefield. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and sometimes explosive payloads, these devices can operate in environments that are difficult for traditional military equipment. They are relatively inexpensive, highly maneuverable, and capable of providing valuable intelligence. In modern conflicts, small drones have become a common sight above the battlefield. Their effectiveness has demonstrated that advanced military capabilities are no longer limited to large and expensive systems. Chapter 4. The Drone Advantage. Why have drones become so important? The answer lies in several key advantages. First, they reduce risk to personnel. Second, they can operate for long periods of time. Third, they often cost less than traditional military aircraft. And finally, they provide unmatched situational awareness. These advantages have made drones a vital component of military operations across the globe. Many experts now consider them essential tools for modern warfare. Conclusion. The drone era has already arrived. From surveillance missions to advanced combat operations, drones have transformed the nature of warfare. They have changed military strategy, altered battlefield tactics, and accelerated technological innovation. What once seemed like science fiction is now a reality. And as artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation continue to advance, the impact of drones on future conflicts may only grow stronger. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on the video world for more explorations into the technologies shaping our world. The video world.